Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Weston back again and welcome to my new shoe room. So I got a couple things to unbox today for you guys. It's funny, this is my first time doing it in this kind of format. But anyway, so I got two unboxings for you guys today. One is a pair of shoes that I'm very excited for. Probably one of my most excited for releases that I was actually able to obtain this year, just because this year it's been a lot of L's for me. And to end the year off with this shoe from Nike, I feel pretty good about it. Even though there are still some pairs remaining, it was a shoe that I really liked, and because of that, I feel like it was a W. Anyway, second unboxing, it is one that I placed an order for a few months ago, and it takes some time. It takes some time to make, but one of my good friends, Eighth, he does upcycled track pants. Top quality, I'm telling you. Just, you'll see in the unboxing, but I was super excited I got my pair in the colorway that I wanted, which is very important. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do me a favor, hit that bell, all that good stuff, just so you never miss a drop. Without further ado, let's get started. So today we're unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Fearless. This Jordan 1 features a reflective iridescent upper, features a full-length Zoom Air unit, and a translucent sole with a graphic on the outsole. This shoe retailed for $175 and is currently still available at Nike.com. So I'm pretty excited about it, not only because of the new cushioning system, which makes Jordan 1s more comfortable and more wearable, which they're already pretty wearable, but if you stand in them for a long time, trust me, those feet are gonna hurt. So this one, I'm hoping to see an improvement so I can actually wear these a little bit more. However, it's kind of funny because what Jordan Brand did, they make the shoe more comfortable, but they also make it almost unwearable at the same time. And for those who know about materials or kind of know which direction I'm going with this, so the whole shoe is reflective. I love reflective material, absolutely love it. I can't get enough of it just because it's shiny. When it hits the light, it shines brighter. You know, it's a whole thing. But it creases so bad whenever you put it on shoes. I've had a pair of all reflective shoes before, and I got maybe 3 or 4 wears out of them before that toe box just went to trash. So I thought ahead. I have these sneaker shields. I normally use them for Air Force Ones because Air Force Ones look terrible with toe box creases. However, I decided to put them in these Jordan 1s, and well, let's see what they look like on foot. So as you can see, these sneaker shields do a great job of holding up the toe box. They've done wonders for me for Air Force Ones. And this is not an ad or anything. I just took a chance on these one day when I was in like a finish line, and I saw that their objective was to stop toe box creases in Air Force Ones, which personally, I absolutely hate toe box creases in Air Force Ones. Jordan 1s, not so much, but I know that with this material, it would look terrible. So I decided to preemptively prepare for toe box creasing in this situation for this shoe. And these are probably gonna stay in here because I just like this shoe so much that I'm gonna wear it a lot. Oh, I got a 9.5, my normal size. Jordan 1s typically run true to size, in case you're wondering. And not only are these reflective, they also have this kind of color shift to the reflective material, which is kind of dope. It's not just the regular silver to flash metallic. So it's a little bit more dynamic than the previous reflective pair of shoes that I had, and it gives off this kind of purple tone to it that makes it a little bit more eye-catching whenever you wear it. So these shoes came with 2 sets of laces, 1 pair red, 1 pair green. I'm not 100% sure why they threw in the green. The red makes sense. Red makes sense. Got a red, accent on the tongue, whatever, cool. The green, not so much. I don't know, maybe purple laces would have been better, in my opinion, but I will most likely be sticking with the black laces. Just a traditional, simple look for me. Don't really understand why Jordan Brand did that, but hey, Jordan Brand does what they want. Doesn't matter, we can't stop it. Anyway, on to the pants. So here we have 8th's upgraded Nike woven pants. These track pants feature a black and Volt colorway and are inspired by many Volt Nike sneakers. And personally, I cannot wait to wear them with those Volt sneakers. These pants were created by deconstructing and reconstructing these woven pants with a Nike dry fit t-shirt to remain true to the Nike fabric. These pants also feature a magnetic component that is the conceal and reveal flap for the Nike logo. Don't know if the magnetic components in the pocket will affect your phone or not, but for now I'll just make sure that I keep my phone in my right pocket versus my left. The pants are absolutely dope, super comfy, which is what I expect from 8th. Anytime I have like maybe 3 or 4 pairs of pants, 2 Adidas, and this is my 3rd pair. Comfortability still there, quality, attention to detail, the stitching that he uses, it's top notch. Rant and rave about these all day, but you just gotta get a pair for yourself and try them out. Several colors in this, and it's just a simple pant, like this nice little Volt accent strip. I got a lot of Volt shoes, as you can kind of see behind me, with some of the accents popping out. It's a welcome addition to my rotation with pants and everything. And this little magnet thing is kind of dope too. I don't know if you guys saw that. The conceal and reveal of the Nike swoosh. Like that touch right there is kind of like, oh man, what kind of pants are those? And you're just like, oh, they're Nikes. Oh no, but they're not Nikes. So it's like, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool little touch. I see the artistry behind it. And that's why I've been a big fan for years. So put the link in the bio just so you guys know where to go get that. With that being said, I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if you like the video, subscribe if it's your first time here, and don't forget to hit that bell just so you make sure that you're notified on any upcoming videos that I drop. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you follow me on this journey as I try to recreate and get reestablished in this new room. Because like I said, I moved recently, so it's gonna take me a little while to get this thing back up to the standard that I'm used to, but I wanted to welcome you guys in so you could share this journey with me. So until next time, peace.